When it's chicken that your palate craves, it is time to spend some time in the kitchen and put together a sumptuous chicken biryani cooked in the goodness of some Amul ghee. You need 450 grams of chicken, 3 tablespoons of Amul ghee, 1 large onion chopped finely, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1 cup boiled basmati rice, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and water. The spices that you will need are 2 bay leaves or tej patta, 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of biryani masala, and salt according to taste. For garnishing, you will need a handful of chopped deep-fried brown onions and a bit of saffron soaked in Amul milk. The first step in making a delicious biryani is the marination of chicken. In a bowl, take the raw chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix these well with the chicken and leave it for half an hour to absorb the flavors. After 30 minutes, on a heated pan, put in 3 tablespoons of rich Amul ghee. Over this, add the bay leaves and chopped onion and sauté them in the ghee. Once the onion turns a bit translucent, add the ginger garlic paste and green chili paste. Stir well. Now it's time for the meat to join the ingredients. So add the marinated chicken to the pan. Make sure that you mix it well. And then put in the tomatoes, the red chili powder, turmeric powder, biryani masala, and salt as per taste. Add some water and stir properly. Keep it for around 2 minutes. Let this mix come to a boil. Cover the pan and let the chicken cook on medium flame for around 8 to 10 minutes. But make sure to give the mixture a quick stir in between. In about 10 minutes, the juicy chicken will have soaked in the spices and will be ready and cooked. It is time to remove the lid and plate the biryani. The beauty of a chicken biryani is in the way the chicken is finally plated with the rice. So take a good helping of the cooked rice and spread the delicious chicken gravy over it. Layer it again with some rice. Spread the saffron-soaked Amul milk generously over this layered biryani. Finally, serve hot with deep-fried brown onions or brista and some coriander and mint leaves. Dahi raita can be served as an accompaniment. Now feel free to dive into the royal chicken biryani made with tasty Amul ghee.